If you are looking for how you can recover your deleted TikTok drafts, then it's not possible. But there is a way that you can make sure that your drafts don't get deleted. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that. So first, what you have to do is open your TikTok drafts. And after loading up your drafts, simply click on it. And while posting it, make sure that you post it or not in everyone can view this post, but only in you. What this does is everyone else cannot view this post, but only you can view this. So after that, simply click on post. And after that video is posted, simply click on it, select the three dots and save the video. So what this does is it saves the video in your gallery. And now even if your TikTok draft is deleted, your video will be still safe in your gallery. So this was it on how you can recover your TikTok drafts. It is not an actual method, but it is a way that can be used to protect your drafts. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.